Welcome to the Canva classroom, everybody. I got to tell you, today's tutorial was not planned. I was working on a tutorial for infographics for today. However, something came across and I have to do this one now. I was scrolling down in Elements and I saw this. Tables. Let's get started. I went to Elements, Tables, See All. This is amazing, y'all. We're gonna go through it. I've not looked at it. I'm learning with you. I'm gonna click it. I'm hovering over it and there's a bunch of little lines. So if I click on that, there's the copy, paste, delete, delete column, add column before, add column after, move column right, move column left, size rows equally, size rows to content, size column to content. Let's see what this size says. Add row. Look, it added a row for me. I'm right clicking, add column, add column. So it's making it larger. I can bring that up like this. Wow, look at this. I can size it like that. I can size rows equally. Size, we can swivel like this. I can increase the size like that. I'm just playing around, guys. Let's see. Color. So you can fill in the blocks with different colors. That's interesting. Let's see what this is. Border. You can add a border around, or is it just one of them? Table spacing. Okay, that's interesting. When people ask me how I figure stuff out, this is exactly what I do, and this is what I recommend you do too. So this table looks like this with solid black. I could change the color here to be pink. If I put something behind it, will I be able to see it? Yes. But of course, if I go like this, put a color, you would not be able to see it. This one has all of them already in a color. Let's see. There we go. Delete column. So let's see if I right click on it, delete row. So these are just different colors of the same thing, just giving recommendation. And then you can grab a hold of different lines and make them larger or smaller. That would make a really cool background. Watch this. What if I go like this and duplicate it? So it appears that you cannot flip it except for like this. So now I duplicate this one. I like the way this looks. You know, I'm always trying to find new ways to make interesting backgrounds. I'll be honest, I don't know what else you can do here and how to add, oh. Hello? Do I just click it and start typing? Testing? Let's change the font. There we go, and watch this. So it looks like you just click it twice and it testing feature. Now let's see if I go this, size row to content, size columns to content. There we go. Okay, so then I can manually fix it like this, or I can right click and size column to content. That's gonna make life a whole lot easier for a lot of people. So it appears that you cannot make text effects on text that are on the table. Here's a heading, and if I click effects, you can do your effects there, but it appears that there's no effect here. But what about animate? So it animates the whole table, not just the words on it. That is nifty. And then you don't have to do a whole bunch of rectangles. Okay, guys, who's excited about this feature? And it's free. I'm using my free account for this. This wasn't my planned tutorial, but I hope that you enjoyed it. New feature on Canva. Remember, you can go to Elements, type in tables, or just scroll down and you can see the tables here. Click See All, and there you've got it there at the top. All right, that's all I've got for you today. If you like this tutorial and want to see more like it, then make sure you are subscribed and make sure all your notifications are turned on. And I recommend you watch this tutorial right now. See you next time. Bye.